This is an itel power tank, or you can say solar gen. Yeah, it's a 500 watt capacity and has a 1 kilowatt hour lithium battery, and it's very heavy. Itel did a very terrific job with this one. I've installed this for so much clients, and I've had little to no complaints. The itel power tank, or would I say solar gen, is not like the normal solar setup where you have the inverter one side and your battery one side. This solar gen has both the inverter and the battery all in one compartment. It's more like a plug and play situation, yeah. And the inverter is a 500 watts capacity, and then it has a battery, inbuilt battery, which is a 1 kilowatt hour lithium inbuilt battery. You can equate it to being a big power bank, but instead of giving out DC current, it's giving out an AC current for your appliances. You can charge this solar gen in two ways. Either you use your NEPA or gen input, or you use your solar panel input. Most clients that couldn't afford the panel when getting the solar gen would normally rely on NEPA or gen to charge it. But in order to enjoy this solar gen, you need your panels too. itel recommends a 410 watts panel for charging this solar gen. Yeah, and the power the solar gen requires from the panel to start charging is 400 watts. But I will recommend you get either a 550 watt panel or a 600 watt panel. And my reason is, on most days that the sun isn't that up or high enough, the panel might be generating a power of, say, around 410 or 420 if it's a 550 or 600. Yeah, but if it was a 410 watts panel, and whereby in order to start charging, the power that the solar gen requires from the panel in order to start charging is 400 watts. On days that the sun will not come out like that, yeah, the panel might be generating, say, 310, 350, which is not up to 400 watts. And that will not be enough to charge the battery. As for the load capacity, that is what this solar gen can carry. This solar gen can carry your TV, your lighting points, your laptops, your power banks, yeah, just light load appliances. But never your microwave or washing machine or air condition. The solar gen has a rated inverter capacity of 500 watts. So any load that you're giving it shouldn't be above that. Instead, it should be below that. And I recommend, say, 300 to 350 watts load in order not to stress the solar gen. So would you be getting this itel solar gen? Tell me in the comment section. And if you have already gotten already, tell me about your experience. See you in my next video.